Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I did it again. I, I pissed you know who off. I was trying to be harmless and having some harmless fun. See, I'm old and cannot run very fast. Oh, you laugh now. Oh, that's rich. Listen. My wife come in and asked me a question, and you tell me what I done wrong. I answered honest. She asked me, had I eaten her piece of cake that was in the refrigerator? I said, I didn't eat the cake in the refrigerator. I ate it in the living room. Next thing I know, here comes shit flying at me as I'm trying to hobble run down the hallway. None of it hit me. She's a bad aim. She's a girl. What do you expect?
Hey now.
She's a girl. What do you expect? But guys, if your girlfriend or wife has set aside a piece of cake for her to have, don't go eating it. I did, but I's a stinker.
Yeah, we know you are.
Anyway, I love y'all. Don't forget about my YouTube. Y'all are the reasons that all this is possible. Without y'all, there would be no cornbread. And until my next video, what you think of that, Dina?